Grok AI video generation is no longer free, and right now a lot of creators are stuck. But honestly, paying for AI video tools in 2026 doesn't make sense anymore, because I found 4 AI video generators that are still completely free, and every single one of them gives you unlimited access. Let's test them and see which one is actually worth using. Right now, most creators on YouTube are switching to Google Flow as a Grok alternative. But here's the problem. Not everyone is telling you the full story. Because even Google Flow has limits, unless you know a small trick. And before we jump in, if you're new to this channel and want to stay updated with the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, because I share the best free tools before most people even know about them. Now let's start with the most hyped tool right now, Google Flow. So first we have Google Flow. This is the most talked about Grok alternative right now, and there's one thing most people don't know yet. I'll show you that in a bit. Let's go inside. To start, just click Create with Flow, then New Project. Now here's something important. In the top right corner, you get 150 free credits when you sign up. And don't skip, because later, I'll show you how to use premium features almost for free. Now let's see how this works. Inside Google Flow, you get image generation, video generation. You can also choose aspect ratio, number of outputs, set it to 2 for better results. Now here's the cool part. For images, it uses a very strong model called Nano Banana, one of the best right now. And for video, it uses Veo 3.1, which is really powerful for video generation. Let me make this super simple. If you already have an idea in mind, use the frames option for better control. If you don't have an idea, just use ingredients, write your prompt, and it will create the video for you. All right, let's test it. First, image generation. Paste your prompt, select image, click generate. And just like that, you get 2 images. Look at the results. Pretty impressive, right? And here's something even better. You can download these images in 2K quality for free. Just click the 3 dots arrow download arrow, done. Now let's turn this into a video. Switch to video generation, click the plus icon, select your image, add a prompt, generate. Wait a few seconds. And now you get 2 videos. Look at the quality, the movement, lighting. Everything looks really clean.
AI.
Now let's talk about credits. I started with 150, and now I have around 70 left. So how do you keep using it? You have 2 options. Use multiple accounts, or get the Pro plan, use it, and cancel before billing. If you want a full step-by-step guide, just comment below, I'll make one. But what if you don't want any tricks at all? No problem. These next tools are even easier. Tool 2, Qwen AI. This one is completely free. No credits, no limits. Here's what it made using the same prompt. And this is just the basic result. You can make it even better with small changes. Tool 3, Vheer AI. This one actually surprised me. Check the motion. Most free tools struggle here, but this one does a really good job. This one is great for realistic results. And the best part? No sign up, no limits, totally free. Tool 4, Hunyuan AI. This tool gives insanely realistic results. But here's what makes it crazy. No sign up required, no limits, and yes, it's completely free. Now here's the interesting part. Each tool is good at something different. So the real question is, which one should you use? If you want strong, trending results, Google Flow. If you want simple and free, Qwen AI. If you care about smooth motion, Vheer AI. If you want realistic output, Hunyuan AI. And if you want full tutorials, I've already made them. Check the description or end screen. Honestly, AI is moving really fast. And many people are still paying for things they can already do for free. So before you spend money, try these tools yourself. And if you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe because I test new tools early and show you which ones are actually useful.